Alright, welcome back. Skyrim Special Edition modded, episode 13. Last we left off, we had just been betrayed by Mercer Frey from the Thieves Guild. Carlia saved our lives, and she has asked us to get the books translated by this guy in here. I forget the name of him. Let's go.
I'm sorry, could you describe this?
What up, my dude? And Thier.
Yes. Can I help you with anything
I've been sent by
else?
Carlia.
Carlia? Then she's finally found it. Do you have Gallus's journal?
Yes, but there's a problem.
Problem? Let me see it. No, this is just like Gallus. A dear friend, but always too clever for his own good. He's written all of the text in the Falmer language.
Haha, nice. Can you translate it?
No. However, I know someone who might.
Perfect.
The court wizard of Markarth, Calselmo, may have the materials you need to get this journal translated. Word of warning. Calselmo is a fierce guardian of his research. Getting the information won't be easy.
Alright, I actually think that he's the dwarven research guy, right? I believe we still have a piece of the dwarven gear in my storage somewhere.
Hello, friend.
Yo, what were y'all out doing? And I wasn't invited? Gangbang? I mean, gang busting? I don't know. Interesting choices there, Ayala. Interesting choices. For the other two, respect. Now we're looking for all the dwarven pieces we have in here. What's this doing in here? Give me these. They're in the wrong place. Where's it at? There's like something of torpor, I believe. I might have it in the storage upstairs. Golder's backblade. Oh, I need to get that disenchanted. Ah, yes, this thing. Of course, it's all the way at the bottom. I can put those away real quick. Hold up. Quick pause. Alright, let's get out of here. To Markarth. Have I? I don't think I've discovered it yet. No, I got the stables. I didn't want to go in yet because there's an event that kind of happens when you go in. Let's get this ready. We're gonna need it. Yes, Stormcloaks. Maybe that's what we'll do next. Maybe we'll take care of the Civil War once we're done with the Thieves Guild questline. Hey!
Hey, watch it. I die for my people.
Bitch. I'll eat your apple.
Everyone,
Don't worry, babe, I got
the
you.
Markarth city guard have this
By the
order
gods, that man nearly killed me.
This
Here.
mod's not doing much for you.
I was gonna bring this to my sister, but I think you should have it.
That man said
I've
something
heard
about
of
the
them.
Forsworn.
Something about the I'm sorry. I don't know anymore. I'm
Did you
just
see that,
visiting
man?
here from Cyrodiil.
Yes, 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 yes.
Damn.
You alright? Did you see what happened?
I must have missed it,
You
sorry.
don't have to say sorry to me. I just hope the aid bring us more peace in the future.
Oh, I think you dropped this. Some kind of note.
Well, thank you. Anyways, I shall read. Actually, we could just quickly read the note right now. Anonymous letter? That's not it. Ah. Why aren't you letting me use my... No! There we go. I don't know why it wasn't letting me use my mouse there. all good though. Hello, comrades. Alright. I'm gonna have to play this right. I just hope this is the same guy that wants my sword. Bought it super early on.
What are you doing here?
Calcimo.
The excavation site is closed. I don't need any more workers or guards.
I was looking for you, actually.
I told you I'm not hiring any more guards. Why do you people always bother me when I'm trying to finish my research? You idiot! Do you even know who I am? The most recognized
I really
scholar
don't like this
swimmer
guy.
in all of Tamriel. And you people keep bothering me. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you should be. I'll
I
cut
got
your
too
head off,
excited.
bitch.
I'm in the middle of some very stressful work, and I shouldn't have yelled. How can I help you?
I hear you're an authority on ancient Falmer.
Then you were well informed. I am at this very moment on the cusp of completing my magnum opus on the subject. I'm calling it Calcelmo's Guide to the Falmer Tongue. It will revolutionize the way we understand those ancient beings.
Perhaps I could view your work.
Preposterous. That research represents years of personal toil in some of the most dangerous Dwemer ruins in Skyrim. You must be mad to think I'd allow anyone to see it before it's completed.
But I'm a great admirer of your work.
While I appreciate the sentiment, I still have to decline. Being an admirer, I'm sure you can appreciate the need to keep my research a secret.
What will it cost to change your mind? Got me access to your old Reddit.
Do you realize that at a snap of my fingers, I can bring the entire Markarth city guard to my defense?
Yeah, I don't
You
care.
best rethink this course of action, or you may find yourself on the executioner's block.
What will it cost to change your
I'm
mind?
not certain how many scholars you're accustomed to dealing with, but I can assure you that personal wealth is our lowest priority.
Try it again?
While I appreciate
Damn it.
being an admirer, I'm sure...
Forget it, maybe I'll come
Very
back
well.
later.
Perhaps when my research is complete, I'll feel more comfortable discussing my findings with you. This better be important.
I'm here about the Dwarven Sword of Torpor.
You are? Very good. May I see it?
Sure, take a look.
Excellent. Very good. This is exactly what I need to complete a series of studies I'm doing on Dwemer craftsmanship and magical resonance. I simply must have this. I'll pay you double what it's worth.
Sounds fair enough.
Wonderful. You've just made an important contribution to the advancement of a Dwemer scholarship.
Now you want to give me... Nope.
Try not to disturb me in the future. I'm in the midst of
Talk to
groundbreaking
Armored
research.
Mud Crab. I want an Armored Mud Crab. That sounds awesome. I probably should have saved before I did that. It's alright though. I shall save. Here. What's this guy want?
If it's about the Hall of the Dead, no, you can't go in there.
Okay.
Okay.
There must be a dozen men up there. Calcelmo called in his entire expedition by order of the Jarl. Stop right there.
Oh no. I'm sorry, guys. It didn't have to be this way. I'm so sorry. I didn't even cut your head off, but whatever. Oh, they have an amulet of Mara. Oh no. Oh no. I'm sorry. Ha! No, I'm not. Get good, scrubs. This isn't gonna be good.
You heard me, Captain. Our work must not be disturbed. Plenty of intruders on site. Call for backup if you need it. Let no one through. As you say, sir.
Requires key.
What was that?
I'm sorry. You look really good in that armor. Not so much you. Ooh. Nice. Not so nice. A throne.
What do you think this is?
Don't worry.
Now you're mine.
Expecting that, were you?
Weren't expecting that, were you? I'm sorry. But also I'm not. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. That was close. What? Did I do all that for nothing? Oh, I totally did. Hey, listen, man. Shut up. Far from the other side. What is this malarkey? Did I take a wrong turn? I think I took a wrong turn at Albuquerque. Hello? Of course. Yoink. Fishing hat. I'm surprised there's no, like, wondrous item in here or something. For, like, the Thieves Guild or whatever. Kinda disappointing, honestly. Oh my... Well, I shit myself. Where do I... take a right? I guess there was something I did miss. Uh-oh. Once again, I have proven I am dumb. Was it in here? No, it wasn't in here. It's over here. Okay, and then to the left.
What was that?
I need some help.
Shut up. Oh, nice. Very nice. Ooh. Cure disease. I don't have anything bad on me now, right? Hey, let's go. Wrong way. I get lost so easily.
Over here. Hurry.
Alright, buddy.
Not so loud.
Shut up. You just saw me cut your guy's head off and you still want to fight? Should have just protected your neck. It didn't have to be this way. Ooh. There we go. There's the thing for Delvin. Markarth Wizard's balcony. Yeah. Alrighty. Expert, yeah, whatever. Make a copy. Gotcha. Yoink. Yoink.
Yes, I'm positive I heard something. All right. There is a thief who won't leave this tower alive.
What was that?
Never turn your back on the Dragonborn. Ooh, an ale. And a tomato. Oh man, I have a pretty high bounty now, don't I? I know the mercenaries aren't much, but like the guards and shit. Why is all this considered stealing? Oh, heavy armor. Ugh. Disgusting. Oh shit, we're supposed to go that way. I'm paying attention, I swear. Baby. Okay, which means from here I can go. Wait, Google Map. Can't fast travel from this location. Why not? Okay, well, we're gonna quick save there just in case. Oh, am I not considered actually in Markarth? Nope. Calcimo's laboratory. I have to navigate all the way back. That's a hoe. I'm sorry, guys. Understone keep. We cool? We're cool. Alright. Alright. There we go. That was a pain in the butt. Does that ever, like, does negotiations with him, like, ever pay off? Because I don't think it's ever worked for me.
I don't really know anyone at the college. I guess everyone just assumes I do because I'm a done one.
The frozen hearth cellar. What up, my guy?
Back, eh?
This should
How
help
was our
translate
friend?
Callus's journal.
I suppose it would be inappropriate of me to ask how you obtained this.
Yes.
So I simply
Yes, it
won't.
would.
A rubbing, eh? Odd. I expected notes.
It's quite the tale.
I understand. Now, let me take a good look at this. Over here, please.
Yeah. What's up?
This is intriguing, but highly disturbing. It appears that Gallus had suspicions about Mercer Frey's allegiance to the guild for months. Gallus had begun to uncover what he calls an unduly lavish lifestyle replete with spending vast amounts of gold on personal pleasures.
Nice.
Does the journal say where this wealth came from?
Yes, Gallus seems certain that Mercer had been removing funds from the guild's treasury without anyone's knowledge.
Anything else, Enther? Anything about the Nightingales?
Yes, here it is. The last few pages seem to describe the failure of the Nightingales, although it doesn't go into great detail. Gallus also repeatedly mentions his strong belief that Mercer desecrated something known as the Twilight Sepulchre.
Ooh.
Shadows preserve us. So it's true.
Ooh.
I'm not familiar
Ooh.
with the Twilight Sepulchre. What is it? What's Mercer Frey done?
I'm sorry, Enther. I can't say. All that matters is we deliver your translation to the guild immediately. Farewell, Enther. Words can't express
It's all right, Carlia. You don't have to say a word. Listen, all I want is the truth to be revealed to the Guild. They respected Carlia, and she deserves better. Do whatever you can, and I'd consider it a personal favor.
I got you. Thank you, Anthea.
If trying to rid yourself of stolen goods becomes a burden and you find yourself in Winterhold,
He's
visit me
a
at the
fence,
college.
too. I
I've been
forgot
known
that.
to handle items of questionable interest from time to time, and I'll see
Oh,
what I
yeah,
can
brother.
do. If you have
We must
further
hasten to
need-
Riften before Mercer can do any more damage to the guild.
I agree. Let's go. Gallus General mentioned the Twilight Sepulchre.
We've come this far, so I see no harm in concealing it any longer. The Twilight Sepulchre is the temple to Nocturnal. It's what the Nightingales are sworn to protect with their lives.
Why does it require that type of protection?
Everything that represents Nocturnal's influence is contained within the walls of the Sepulchre. Now it seems Mercer's broken his oath with Nocturnal and defiled the very thing he swore to protect.
Thieves and temples, it just doesn't add up.
I felt the same way when Gallus first revealed these things to me. I think given time you'll understand what I mean.
I'd understand better with less mystery was involved.
As a Nightingale, I've been sworn to secrecy regarding the Sepulchre. I know the Guild doesn't do much to foster faith, but I'm going to have to ask that you continue to trust me.
Very well. We do it your way for now.
I'll make for Riften and scout the situation. See if I can discover what Mercer's up to. When you're ready, meet me at the Ragged Flagon. In the meantime, I wanted you to have this. It belonged to Gallus, but given the circumstances, I think he'd approve.
I'll put it to good use.
If the Guild isn't willing to listen to reason, you might have to.
What is it? Ah, yes, the Nightingale blade. Beautiful. Not bad. Not bad at all. If I upgrade it, it should do pretty good. Does stamina and health damage. Very nice. It's been used! The hell?
A social call. Down to business.
You don't return a car with half gas. You fill the fucker up. Jesus. No common courtesy in this day and age.
Unless you're bringing me
Oh, God.
around, you can keep
Alrighty. How long have I been going for? 28? Cool. We got time. Let's keep going. We gotta take the long way around to the rat way. The rat way. Let's get it. Luckily it doesn't take too long to get to the Ragged Flagon through this anymore.
I'm glad you're here. I think some of these people are beginning to suspect who I am. Are you ready to face the Guild?
I'm ready, let's go.
Keep your eyes open. I'm not sure what to expect when we enter the system.
Follow Carly. Oh, keep going, come on. These guys take forever, I swear.
You better have a damn good reason to be here with that murderer.
Please, Lower your weapons so we can speak. I have proof that you've all been misled.
No tricks, Carlia, or I'll cut you down where you stand. Now what's this so-called proof you speak of?
I have Dallas's journal. I think you'll find its contents disturbing.
Let me see. No, it can't be. This can't be true. I've known Mercer too long.
It's true, Brynjolf. Every word. Mercer's been stealing from the Guild for years, right under your noses.
There's only one way to find out if what the lass says is true. Delvin, I'll need you to open the vault.
Why, just a blessed moment, Freedom. What's in that book? What did it say?
It says Mercer's been stealing from our vault for years. Gallus was looking into it before he was murdered.
How can Mercer open up a vault with these 2 keys? It's impossible. Could he pick his way in?
That door has the best puzzle locks money can buy. There's no way it can be picked open.
You didn't need to.
What's she on about?
Use your key on the vault, Delvin. We'll open it up and find out the truth.
Don't mind me. Eyes open. Keep your eyes on Sapphire. There's more to her than meets the eye. Oh, yeah?
I've used my key, but the vault's still locked up tighter than a drum. Now use yours.
Hi.
At the 8. It's gone. Everything's gone. Get in here, all of you.
The gold. It's yours. It's all gone.
That son of a bitch. I'll kill him.
Vex, put it away, right now. We can't afford to lose our heads. We need to calm down and focus.
Do what he says, Vex. This ain't helping right now.
Fine. We do it your way. For now.
Delvin, Vex, watch the flagon. If you see Mercer, come tell me right away.
If I see Fred,
Look,
I'll pluck
before
his
I help
eyes
you
from his
track
skull
Mercer
with my
down,
bare
I need
hands.
to know what you learned from Carlia. I mean, everything.
Mercer killed Gallus, not Carlia.
I feared that was the case. From that last entry in Gallus's diary, it looks like he was getting close to exposing Mercer to the Guild. Anything else?
Dallas, Carlia, and Mercer were Nightingales.
Nightingales? But I always assumed they were just a tale. A way to keep the young footpads alive.
Nightingale?
Was there
No,
anything
okay.
else she told
I'll
you?
shut up now. Carlia was behind Golden Glow and Hunting Brew.
Trying to make Mercer look bad in front of Maven, eh? Clever lass. Was there anything else?
No, that's it.
Then I have an important task for you. I need you to break into Mercer's home and search for anything that could tell us where he's gone.
He has a house in Riften?
Aye. A gift from the Blackbriars after they kicked the previous family out. A place called Riftweald Manor. He never stays there, just pays for the upkeep on it. Hired some lout by the name of Bold to guard the place.
I'll take care of it.
Be careful, lad. This is the last place in Skyrim I'd ever want to send you. Just find a way in, get the information and leave. And you have permission to kill anyone that stands in your way. Careful.
That's all you had to say.
Don't lose anyone else in that matter.
Hey, Sapphire.
Can't believe he
I
emptied
dare
the vault.
Mercer to come back here.
Right from
Set
under
one
our
foot in the
noses.
cistern and I'll cut it off.
I hear there's
I
more
dare-
to you than
Huh?
meets the eye.
I dare Mercer to come back here. Set one foot in the cistern and I'll cut it off.
Yo, what up, guy? Don't mind me. Hey, come on. Let me up. Let me in. Yes. Oh, hey, guy. Well, that was disappointing, if I'm being honest. Oh. Alright. Fine. Wuldnar. Come on. Faster. Faster. Regen. This takes forever. I think we could just do a basic one. Yeah. Let's go.
Hey!
You got fucking bandits in here?
You won't leave here alive!
Yeah, shut up. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah, give me those. Ooh, and a sapphire. Hold up. What's he doing with a sapphire? Seems a little sus. Statue of the Bella. Bar is locked and cannot be opened. Oh, interesting. Ooh, sweet roll. Alto wine. Sweet roll. Oh. Okay. Suspicious cabinet. Hello. Eh? Ah. Is there a way to turn those things off? Nope. Oh, Jesus, dude. Come on. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Eh. Many thanks. That's all that item we discussed, but not more than 3 days. Castle door. But according to what I've heard, it vanished right from their armor. I wish I knew how you were able to slip by the guards, bypass the portcullis, unlock the armory door, and break into Dwarven puzzle. Unlocked chest. You need to teach me that little trick sometime. I've left your cut in the usual drop spot and might have another job for you soon. R. The lusty Argonian maid. Sounds like a thing for the shelf. Oh shit. Children. Right way bolts. Honestly, whatever. I'll take it. Dragon flagon. That was easy. Holy shit. What? Why are there... Oh shit, that's right. I know where I'm going. Cistern. What up, my dudes? What up?
We've scoured the town and I've spoken to every contact we have left. No sign of Mercer. Any luck on your end?
He wasn't there, but I found these plans.
Shore's beard. He's going after the eyes of the Falmer? That was Gallus's pet project. If he gets his hands on them, you can be certain he'll be gone for good and set up for life.
Then we have to stop him.
Agreed. He's taken everything the guild has left, and to go after one of the last greatest heists is just an insult. I've spoken to Carlia and made amends for how the guild's treated her. Now she wishes to speak with both of us. Quickly, we have no time to lose. Next we meet one.
Listen to Carlia. Cool.
I promise you, all your questions will be answered. You just have to trust me.
Sure. Alright, what you got for us?
Come, Brynjolf. The time has come to decide Mercer's fate. Until a new guildmaster is chosen, the decision falls to you.
You wanna talk to me?
Aye, lass.
No.
I'll
Okay.
come to a decision. Mercer Frey tried to kill both of you. He betrayed the guild, murdered Gallus, and made us question our future. He needs to die.
You have to be
Agreed.
Very careful, Brynjolf. Mercer is a Nightingale, an agent of Nocturnal.
It's all true. Everything I heard in the stories. The Nightingales, their allegiance to Nocturnal and the Twilight Sepulchre.
That's why we need to prepare ourselves and meet Mercer on equal footing. Just outside the rift, beyond the southeast gate is a small path cut up the mountainside. At the end of that path is a clearing and an old standing stone. I'd ask you both to meet me there.
You got it. Oh, that's right, I don't need to do this. Fast travel to the stables real quick. It just makes it faster. Not by much, but enough. You think that's enough to get me across?
What? Ah!
Nope. It wasn't.
I could have left it. I could have put it back.
Angler acquaintance. I'm fighting the current here. Eh.
What? Ah!
Riften docks. Nice. I want to discover the stone first. It's important, man. There's also a dragon up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Damn it. Alright, whatever. Let me up. Yes. Oh, that's disgusting. You're missing. Oh, but you do a lot of damage. Whew. Shadowstone. Becoming invisible for a short period of time. That's definitely useful. No, let me... Yeah. Nightingale Hall.
I'm glad you're here.
What's the significance of this place?
This is the headquarters of the Nightingales, cut into the mountainside by the first of our kind. We've come to seek the edge we need to defeat Mercer Frey.
What kind of an edge?
If you'll follow me, I'll try to explain on the way.
You got it.
This way, please.
What up, my guy? Let's go. What is that? Fire arrows? Ah, she suddenly has the bow unequipped.
So
Alright.
this is Nightingale Hall. I heard about this place when I joined the guild, but I never believed it existed.
The assumption that the Nightingales were just a myth was seeded within the guild on purpose. It helped divert attention from our true nature. What's wrong, Brynjolf? I can almost hear your brow furrowing.
I'm trying to understand why I'm here, lass. I'm no priest, and I'm certainly not religious. Why pick me?
This isn't about religion, Brynjolf. It's business. This is Nightingale Hall. You're the first of the uninitiated to set foot inside in over a century. Now, if you'll both proceed to the armory to don your Nightingale armor, we can begin the oath.
This is enough to make your head spin, eh?
You appear hesitant to don your Nightingale. Let's try.
Equip the Nightingale armor. Ah, it's so good. So good.
We're ready for the oath.
This is enough to make your head spin, eh?
I've got the mask on.
We're ready for the oath.
I think we should trust the lass and take the deal.
I agree. Following Carlia. Hold up, I need to make sure I look the part. We gotta take that off. And then we'll also take those off. Put that on. There we go.
You appear ready for the oath.
Yeah, I am. Jesus Christ.
Okay, lass. We've got these get-ups on. Now what?
Beyond this gate is the first step in becoming a Nightingale.
But
Whoa there, lass. I appreciate the armor, but becoming a Nightingale? That was never discussed.
To hold any hope of defeating Mercer, we must have Nocturnal at our backs. If she's to accept you as one of her own, an arrangement must be struck.
What sort of arrangement? I need to know the terms.
The terms are quite simple, Brynjolf. Nocturnal will allow you to become a Nightingale and use your abilities for whatever you wish. And in return, both in life and in death, you must serve as a guardian of the Twilight Sepulchre.
Aye, there's always a catch. But at this point, I suppose there isn't much to lose. If it means the end of Mercer Frey, you can count me in.
What about you? Are you ready to
I
transact
don't
the
know.
oath
I
with
kind of want to go to
Nocturnal?
Sovngarde.
Good.
Yeah, I'm ready.
After I open the gate, please stand on the western circle.
I think we should trust the lass and take the deal.
You open the gate. I shall open the gate. Damn it! Stupid.
We'll speak when the oath is complete.
Yeah, stop fucking talking to me and open the. Oh my god. NPCs, man.
Time's wasting, and Mercer's still out there.
Yeah.
Let's get this show on.
Let's get it. Woohoo! I'm on the western one. I should be in the center. I'm the Dragonborn. Don't you know who I am? I'm important. I'm the main character of this entire story. Sometimes.
I call upon you, Lady Nocturnal, Queen of Murk and Empress of Shadow. Hear my voice.
Ah, Carlia. I was wondering when I'd hear from you again. Lose something, did we?
My lady, I've come before you to throw myself upon your mercy and to accept responsibility for my failure.
You're already mine, Carlia. Your terms were struck long ago. What could you possibly offer me now?
I have two others that wish to transact serve you both in life and in death.
You surprise me, Carlyle. This offer is definitely weighted in my favor.
My appetite for Mercer's demise exceeds my craving for wealth, Your Grace.
Revenge. How interesting. Very well. The conditions are acceptable. You may proceed.
Lady Nocturnal, we accept your terms. We dedicate ourselves to you as both your avengers and your sentinels. We will honor our agreement in this life and the next until your conditions have been met.
Very well. I name your initiates Nightingale, and I restore your status to the same, Carlyle. And in the future, I'd suggest you refrain from disappointing me again.
Now that you've transacted the oath, it's time to reveal the final piece of the puzzle to you. Mercer's true crime.
He's done more?
Mercer was able to unlock the Guild's vault without 2 keys because of what he stole from the Twilight Sepulchre. The skeleton key. By doing this, he's compromised our ties to Nocturnal, and in essence, caused our luck to run dry.
So the key unlocks any door?
Well, yes. But the key isn't only restricted to physical barriers. All of us possess untapped abilities, the potential to wield great power securely sealed within our minds. Once you realize the key can access these traits, potential becomes limitless.
The guild should possess this item. The 3 of us should keep it. Sounds like no one should possess it. Yeah.
I'm afraid that's impossible. If the key isn't returned to its lock in the Twilight Sepulchre, things will never be the same for the guild. As time passed, our luck would diminish to the point of non-existence, and whether you know it or not, our uncanny luck defines our trade.
First time I ever set out to return something.
Very true. In our line of work, it's quite rare we set out to return a stolen item to its rightful owner.
That's good.
Before we depart, Brynjolf has some business to discuss. I suggest you listen to him.
Listen, lad. There's one last piece of business we need to settle before we go after Mercer. The leadership of the guild. Listen, lad. There's one last piece of business we
Why tell me this?
Alaya and I had a long discussion before you arrived here. Thanks to your efforts, Mercer's treachery has been exposed. After we deal with him, all that remains is restoring the guild to its full strength. As a result, we both feel that you have the potential of replacing Mercer as leader of the Thieves' Guild.
Me? What about you?
I've been at this game a long time, my friend. A long time. I've stolen trinkets from nobles and framed priests for murder. I'm good at what I do, maybe even one of the best, but it's all I know. I've never been one to lead. Never desired it, never cared for it. Don't want it.
I don't know what to say.
Well, we have a bit of an errand to run before your coronation, so don't get sentimental on me now.
I accept.
Then it's decided. When this is all over and Delvin's contacts assure me that we've regained our footing in Skyrim, we'll handle the details.
Sweet.
Until then, we have quite the task ahead.
Let's get to it.
I've been poring over the plans you brought us, and I'm convinced the eyes of the Falmer are in the Dwarven ruins at Erkenthand. Carlaya and I will meet you there. Prepare yourself, lad. This will be a fight to remember.
Alright.
Until next we meet, lad.
Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. As always, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. And I shall catch you in the next one. Later.